Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly exciting to show you. The HP Essential 15 laptop, a device that combines power, performance, and style. If you're in the market for a laptop that can handle all your tasks with ease, this one's for you. So, stick around as we explore the incredible features of the HP Essential 15 laptop. Let's kick things off with the unboxing. As we open the box, you'll immediately notice the laptop's modern design and sleek silver finish. It's a head-turner, no doubt. The HP Essential 15 laptop is all about style and substance. It's super slim, making it perfect for those on the go. And the silver color gives it a premium look. Now, let's fire it up and see what it's made of. With the AMD Ryzen 350-300U processor, you can expect a blazing fast performance. Multitasking, gaming, or content creation, it's got you covered. One of the standout features of the HP Essential 15 laptop is its 15.6-inch HD screen. It's a visual feast for your eyes. Whether you're binge watching your favorite shows or working on a creative project, this screen will leave you mesmerized. The screen's clarity and vibrant colors are perfect for entertainment and productivity alike. And with its anti-glare technology, you can use it even in bright sunlight without any issues. Now, let's dive into what makes this laptop tick. The AMD Ryzen 350-300U processor. This is where the magic happens. With 16 GB of RAM and a 1 TB SSD, it's a powerhouse that can handle your daily tasks. From browsing the web to running intensive applications. We ran a series of performance tests, and the results were astonishing. This laptop outperforms its competitors in speed, efficiency, and overall user experience. The HP Essential 15 laptop doesn't just stop at power and performance. It's packed with all the essential features you need. Check out these ports: HDMI, USB, and, of course, a built-in webcam. Stay connected and get your work and entertainment done hassle-free. The webcam is perfect for video calls, and the audio quality is crystal clear. Your virtual meetings and online hangouts will never be the same. Last but not least, the HP Essential 15 laptop runs on the latest Windows 11 Home. This operating system brings a whole new level of innovation to your fingertips. With a user-friendly interface and seamless integration of apps, you'll fall in love with the experience. From the redesigned Start menu to the powerful Snap layouts, Windows 11 takes your productivity to the next level. It's a perfect match for the HP Essential 15 laptop. And there you have it, folks! The HP Essential 15 laptop, a true masterpiece that combines style, power, and innovation. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who appreciates top-notch technology, this laptop is designed for you. Don't miss out on the chance to upgrade your digital experience. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech reviews. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. We'll be happy to assist you. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay tech savvy.